Now we have to start with carboxylic acids. The last topic of this chapter, chapter number 12, that is carboxylic acids. General formula of carboxylic acid is functional group, C double bond group and OH. It has two groups. C double bond O is called carboxyl group and OH is known as hydroxyl group. And if we combine them, then we get carboxyl group. So this is called carboxylic group, C double OH group. Two types of carboxylic acids are there. RCOOH, that is called aliphatic acid. Aliphatic. And if it is connected to benzene ring, directly connected to benzene ring, then it is known as aromatic acid. So two types of carboxylic acids are there. Sorry, one is aliphatic, another one is aromatic. Aliphatic में होगा methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. Aromatic COOH is directly connected to the benzene ring. If we have high carbon atoms like C12 to C18, total carbon atom is C12 to C18, then they are known as fatty acids. They are called fatty acids. So fatty acids are the compounds in which total carbon atoms present are C12 to C18. मतलब more number of carbon atoms are there, higher carbon atoms are there, then such aliphatic acids are known. They are solid generally. They are known as fatty acids. Okay. Now we have to start with nomenclature of this carboxylic acid. In nomenclature, common name will be written for carboxylic acid by adding suffix carboxylic acid only. And few examples are there of common name which have different acids, different name they have, that we have to remember because they can ask common names also. And you know, for IUPAC names we have to add suffix, that is oic acid. ठीक है? पहले जो टेक्स्ट बुक में टेबल बना हुआ है, that table we will finish. That is very important for common as well as for IUPAC names. Draw this table, student. First column we will draw structure. We will write a structure. Second column we will write common name. And the third we will write IUPAC. Structure, common name and IUPAC name. Very important compound is HCOOH. Its common name is formic acid. Remember it. What happens when formic acid reacts with this? What happens when formic acid is oxidized? So what is the formula for formic acid? HCOOH. Only one carbon atom it has, and its IUPAC name is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Second important acid is CH3COOH. You know it. This is called acetic acid. Vinegar जिसको बोलते हैं. Not pure. 6 to 8% aqueous solution is known as vinegar. And if it is chilled at very low temperature, it is called glacial acetic acid. Because it can be, freeze like water. Hence it is called glacial acetic acid. Clear? Its IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Third important example is CH3, CH2, COOH, 3 carbon atom. It is called propionic acid. Propionic acid. Propionic. जैसे हमने उसमें लिखा था प्रोपियोन अल्डिहाइड. सो फॉर कॉमन नेम प्रोपियोनिक एसिड, स्पेलिंग पे ध्यान देना. आईयूपीएसी नेम प्रोपेनोइक एसिड, प्रोपेनोइक एसिड. एनोइक एसिड is the IUPAC name and common name is propionic acid. So there are 4 carbon atoms. It is called butyric acid. Butyric acid. ये rancid butter में मिलता है. Butyric acid is present in rancid, खराब हो गया होगा ना, ऐसे बटर में मिलेगा butyric acid. Once it was asked in JEE exam, rancid butter contains तो butyric acid. Its IUPAC name is butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Suppose we branched it CH3, CH, CH3. This is called iso group, and COOH. What will be its name? Isobutyric acid. Common name is isobutyric acid. What is IUPAC name for this? Chain banao 1, 2 and 3. 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. This is called isobutyric acid. Common names are also very important. What happens when isobutyric acid undergo oxidation? तो अपन को structure ही नहीं आएगा तो अपन reaction कैसे लिखेंगे? So IUPAC name, sometimes in competitive exams or in MCQs they may ask IUPAC names also. What is the IUPAC name for isobutyric acid? So we should know the structure. What is the structure for isobutyric acid? Next student. COOH. देखा हुआ है, सुना हुआ है नाम. This can also be written as H2C2O4, and this is called oxalic acid. What is it known as? Oxalic acid. अगर दो COOH ग्रुप होते हैं तो नेम कैसे करेंगे? इथेन डायोइक एसिड. It's इथेन 1, 2 भी लगा सकते हैं, नहीं लगाओगे तो भी चलेगा. डायोइक एसिड. If only 2 carbon atoms are there, there is no need to write 1, 2 number. Its name is ethane 1, 2 dioic acid. Clear? Next, banana table, very important, given in the book also, but draw it. Oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is dibasic acid. When it is dissolved in water, it produces 2H plus ion. If its molarity is 2, normality will be 1. It is organic acid, dibasic acid. Acetic acid is monobasic. This is monobasic. All are monobasic acid. But these are oxalic acid is dibasic acid. Next common names and structures are if there are 23 carbon atoms, CH2, COOH, COOH. इसका नाम है मैलोनिक एसिड. क्या नाम है? मैलोनिक एसिड. कॉमन नेम. आगे जाके रिएक्शन आएगी. What happens when malonic acid is heated? So when malonic acid is heated, we get acetic acid. एक COOH रिमूव हो जाता है. जब आप डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड को गर्म करते हैं, डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन हो जाता है without soda lime. Otherwise, decarboxylation is carried out with soda lime. But for these dicarboxylic acids, only by heating we can remove CO2. So malonic acid on heating gives acetic acid. What is its IUPAC name, student? 23 carbon atoms are there. So it is called propane dioic acid. Propane dioic acid. 1,3 भी लगा सकते हो और 1,3 भी लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा क्योंकि understood है if it is dioic. There are 2 COOH group and both the COOH group are a terminal carbon. Next with 4 carbon atoms. These are 3, now 4. CH2 COOH, CH2 COOH. इसका कॉमन नेम है सक्सिनिक एसिड. सक्सिनिक एसिड. जनरली हमने पढ़ा है कि डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन करने से अल्केन्स मिलते हैं. डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आता था. heating with soda lime carboxylic acids give alkane, लेकिन अगर हम इसका decarboxylation करेंगे तो alkene मिलेगा, ethene form होता है. So it is not so always कि decarboxylation of dicarboxylic acids या carboxylic acids give alkane. They may give alkene, sometimes they may give alkynes also. So this will give ethene, not ethane. Its name is butane dioic acid. Butane 1,2 भी लगा सकते हो, नहीं लगाना हो तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. 1,2 dioic acid. 5 carbon atom. CH2, CH2, COOH. Here it is CH2, COOH. Its name is glutamic acid. Glutamic acid. And its IUPAC name will be pentane dioic acid. 5 carbon. Pentane dioic acid. Pentane 1,2 dioic acid, or simply we can write pentane dioic acid. Now 6 carbon atom. CH2, CH2, COOH. Here also CH2, CH2, COOH. इसको बोलते हैं adipic acid. This is called adipic acid. आपके सिलेबस में से पॉलीमर चैप्टर निकल गया है, but this adipic acid is used to form nylon 6,6 polymer. Polymer monomer से form होते हैं. पूरा एक चैप्टर है हमारे 12th स्टैंडर्ड में पॉलीमर, but right now it is related for 12th standard. But it is used, adipic acid is used in preparation of nylon 6,6. What is the IUPAC name for adipic acid? It is hexane dioic acid. Hexane 1,2 dioic acid. Here common names are important. IUPAC names we have figured. We can give because we have rules. 6 carbon atoms, so it is hexane dioic. 5 carbons, so pentane dioic. 4 carbons, so butane 1,2 dioic acid. And we ये हमने फर्स्ट लिखा था 2 कार्बन एटम थे ऑक्सैलिक एसिड, इसका नाम क्या था? ऑक्सैलिक एसिड. कॉमन नेम्स नाम याद कैसे रखेंगे बेटा? O M S G और A. O my sweet green apple. कैसे याद रखोगे? O my sweet green apple. 2 कार्बन हो तो ऑक्सैलिक, 3 हो तो मेलोनिक, 4 हो तो सक्सिनिक, 5 carbon then glutamic, and 6 carbon then adipic acid. Then we can write IUPAC names by following the rules. Now few more common names as well as IUPAC names. Note कर लेना इसको. Next is COOH, then benzoic acid, that you know. रिंग ऊपर COOH है, फिर के बाद benzoic acid. इसका एक और नेम है, कॉमन नेम भी benzoic acid है, IUPAC नेम भी benzoic acid. One more IUPAC name is there. If COOH group is outside the ring, then its suffix used for IUPAC name is carboxylic acid. So also IUPAC name is benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. Remember it. If COOH group is not included in the chain and it is a principal functional group, main functional group છે, એના સિવાય કોઈ એનાથી વધારે reactive functional group present નથી, but એનું કાર્બન ચેનમાં ઇન્ક્લુડ નથી થતું, તો રૂલ છે કે COOH નું કાર્બન તમારે ચેનમાં ઇન્ક્લુડ કરવાનું, but we are not including it, થતું નથી એટલે, so its suffix use will be carboxylic acid. So its name is benzene carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid लिखोगे तो भी correct है, but other name you should know, that is benzene carboxylic acid. Next is ring, then CH2COOH. इसका कॉमन नेम है फिनाइल एसिटिक एसिड. Common name is phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid. Now IUPAC name will be given as 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. For IUPAC name we have to make a chain. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. That is IUPAC name for phenyl acetic acid. Okay? Next, very important. 2-COOH group is there at ortho position. This is known as phthalic acid. This is known as phthalic acid. P silent hota hai. It is called phthalic acid. Phthalic acid is also useful for preparation of many type of polymers. Once last year only board exam it was asked. Glyptal नाम का एक polymer है. उसमें जो monomer use होता है वो phthalic acid होता है. So phthalic acid is also used for preparation of this polymers. What is IUPAC name for this phthalic acid? It is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Okay. Suppose COOH group are present at meta position. This is called isophthalic acid. Isophthalic acid. If 2-COOH group are present at ortho, it is called phthalic acid. If COOH groups are present at meta position, it is known as isophthalic acid. What is IUPAC name for isophthalic acid? It will be benzene 1,3-dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,3-dicarboxylic acid. Clear? One more common name. If 2-COOH groups are present at para position, 2-COOH, COOH, para position represent to this को बोलते हैं terphthalic acid. This is called terphthalic acid. And terphthalic acid is used to prepare polymer that is called pteryline. Its IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid. If anything extra information given to you regarding any topic, you should write. कोई गारंटी नहीं होती है एमसीक्यूज की कि कहाँ से कौन सा आएगा, है ना. छोटी छोटी इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर हम नोट करते हैं, क्योंकि अभी जैसे पढ़ाते हैं उस वक्त याद आता है, तो जब याद आता है हम लोग बोलते हैं. तो इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक और योर टेक्स्ट बुक. दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी मच बेनिफिटेड फॉर यू. कब क्या कौन सा एमसीक्यू कहाँ पे काम आ जाए, क्या पूछ ले. व्हाट इज द मोनोमर ऑफ टेरिलिन? तो terphthalic acid is the monomer of टेरिलिन. What is IUPAC name for phenyl acetic acid? Anything they can ask. बुक के सिवाय भी अगर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लिखते हैं तो that will be very good for you. Okay, so note it down. Listen carefully. Just note down. So whenever you go through it in future, कभी एग्जाम्स आए आप just go through करेंगे तो लिखा हुआ होगा तो आपको ध्यान आएगा कि ये चीज टीचर बोला था और काम का है ऐसे करके. Clear students? Now we will do some IUPAC name only. We will write for some examples. Some compounds. IUPAC name. First one, CH2 double bond, CH, here Cl, here COOH. How to write IUPAC name for this compound, student? Only IUPAC name will write now. First of all, you have to make the long chain of carbon atom. Long continuous chain of carbon atom. That chain must consist of carbon Clear? Chain will be 1, 2, 3 and this 4. Now how to write name? 2-chloro, 4 carbon, so it is bute. 3 और 4 के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड है 3-ene. 1 लिखते नहीं है because generally 1 पे प्रेजेंट होता है 3-enoic acid. 2-chlorobute, 3-enoic acid. This is the IUPAC for this compound. Second, suppose we have CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3, CH, COOH, and here it is CH3. ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें आप लॉन्ग चेन इसको बना लोगे. This is the main functional group. Its carbon must be included in the chain. You cannot leave it while giving IUPAC name. And number also given with this carbon atom only. This should be given number 1 always. So chain will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 4 keto or 4 oxo, 2, 3 dimethyl, and then it will be pentanoic acid. 5 carbon, so it is pentanoic acid. So COOH should be included in the chain. If you are not able to include, or if you will not include, then you absolutely no. So it should be included in the chain. For example, suppose we have CH3, C, C2H5, here C2H5, here COOH. What is its IPC name? Don't make chain 1, 2 and 3. कहीं पे अगर ethyl दिखता है तो just open it up, because ethyl group C2H5 group consists of 2 carbon atoms. हमेशा open up करके देखिए इसको. Either of C2H5 if you open up, then it will become CH3, CH2. See the long chain now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So its name will be 2-ethyl, 2-methyl butanoic acid. Alphabetical order में arrange करना होता है. 2-ethyl, 2-methyl butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Okay, 2-ethyl, 2-methyl butanoic acid. Suppose there are 2 COOH groups. This is the compound. Here it is COOH, here it is methyl, here it is chloro. How to write name? Now we cannot make chain here 1 and then we move inside 2, 3, 4. No. Either chain will be formed outside the ring or it will be formed inside the ring. So always COOH group, if it is outside the ring, its containing carbon should be included in the chain. So this should be given number 1, then 2, 3, 4 and this 5. How to give name to this compound, student? This is 3-chloro, 2-methyl, 3-chloro, 2-methyl. This is cyclic ring. Cyclo, pentane, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Hexanoic acid, pentanoic acid, ऐसे नहीं. Pentane, carboxylic acid. Because COOH group is outside the ring. They are not giving number to that carbon. Okay. See one more example. Suppose it is given CH2COOH. It is CH, COOH, and it is CH2, COOH. Special case, important case. Try to make first long chain so that maximum number of COOH should be included in the chain. How to make long chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अगर ऐसे बनाते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we tried a lot, we cannot include all the 3 COOH group in a chain. एक तो बाहर रह जाएगा. Suppose ये chain बनाया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तो ये बाहर रह जाएगा. 1, 2, 3, 4 ये बाहर रह जाएगा. At this stage, according to IUPAC, leave all the COOH group. एक को भी chain में include मत करो. But वो जिन कार्बन से connected है, that should be included in the chain. So chain will be 1, 2 and 3. Its name will be propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid. This is IUPAC for this compound. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Clear? Next example. Suppose we have this CH3, CH, यहाँ पे CH3, then it is CH, here COOH, and here COOH. how to give name to this compound. If you want to prepare long chain, the long chain तो 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon नहीं था. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon नहीं था. But 2 COOH groups are there and both are functional group. What we try to do, include all the carbon of the functional groups. So chain will be 1, 2, 3. भले वो लंबी chain नहीं है, long chain नहीं है, but we have to include the carbon atoms present in the functional group. Try to involve all in the parent chain. So now its name will be what this group is isopropyl. So 2 isopropyl propane dioic acid. Propane dioic acid. This is IUPAC name for this compound. Clear? In the last 5 minutes, I'll give you some examples for writing IUPAC names. Now we have to do with structure of carboxyl group. What type of structure carboxyl group have? Carboxyl group means R, C, OH and C double H. Double bond. This is carboxylic acid and carboxyl group is C, double bond O and OH. Now this contains 1 sigma 3 pi bond. What is hybrid state of carbon atom? sp2. Carbon of carboxyl group is sp2 hybridized and this oxygen is sp3 hybridized. This oxygen sp2 hybridized. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा होता है कि दोनों ऑक्सीजन sp2 hybridized है. लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर में तो ऐसा दिख रहा है, ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड से कनेक्टेड है. सॉरी, ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड से कनेक्टेड है. तो ये तो sp3 होना चाहिए क्योंकि इसके पास तो सारे सिग्मा बॉन्ड है. ये डबल बॉन्ड से कनेक्टेड है इसलिए ये sp2 होना चाहिए. लेकिन यहाँ पे दोनों ऑक्सीजन sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है. क्यों है? Because the COOH group is resonance hybrid of two structures. See, carboxyl group is resonance hybrid of two structures. This C double bond O and this OH. Two lone pair, here also. What is resonance structure? Another OH, here double bond. Carboxylate ion limit is C double O minus. And its hybrid structure is C partial double bond with both the oxygen. This is called resonance hybrid structure of carboxylate ion. So in carboxylate ion, hybrid structure, if we see, it has partial double bond character with both the oxygen atom. And hence, both oxygen sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. And if hybridization is sp2, then what is the bond angle, student? Bond angle is 120 degree. And the shape is planar. So its structure is planar. एक plane में होंगे सारे. Carbon, oxygen, everybody is one plane. Every atom is one plane because carbon and oxygen are sp2 hybridized. And the structure is planar, shape is planar, bond angle is 120 degree. This is the structure of carboxylic acid. Now I am giving you some examples for IUPAC name. Just try to write them so that practice se IUPAC name. If you know the common name, then only you will write. Otherwise, don't write common name for all. Just give IUPAC name for all the compounds. Just note down. And homework में करी और मैंने बताया जो Google Classroom में मैंने केवल बताया. First, CH3, CH, C double H. Second, CH2, Br, CH, double bond, CH, C double H. Third is C double H, yeah, Cl. Fourth is bond line representation से भी पूछते हैं. Fifth, just note down and give IUPAC names. Fifth is here OH, here COOH. Sixth is CH3 thrice, C, triple bond, C, COOH. Seventh is here NO2, COOH, here also NO2, and here also. Try to write IUPAC name for these compounds. Next is in pH, CH2, CH2, COOH. pH એટલે phenyl ring. Next, ninth, it is CH3 twice, C, double bond, CH, CH2, Br, and here it is COOH. This is ninth one. Just note down and write the IUPAC name for these compounds. Homework માં કરવાનું છે અત્યારે. Clear? Note it down. Just try to give IUPAC names for these compounds. Clear? Just 4 common name I am giving you. You have to write its IUPAC name. Isovaleric acid. Isovaleric acid. Acrylic acid. Phenyl